The Chrysalis Vision is more than a name. It's a movement of transformation. Like a chrysalis, we are a place where growth, survival, and new beginnings take shape. We are a nonprofit organization powered by professionals from our community. These dedicated individuals volunteer their time and knowledge of fine arts, culture, and history to create our virtual world museums. Among them are educators, veterans, athletes, artists, and musicians. Why do we do this work? Because we believe everyone deserves access to knowledge, creativity, and the stories that connect us. The Chrysalis Vision ripple effect inspires our youth, strengthens communities, and builds a better society by bringing a divided world together. The Chrysalis Vision is about transformation through culture and creativity. We are building immersive digital museums honoring the forgotten warriors, preserving history, exploring democracy, celebrating martial arts, and showcasing the beauty of nature and culture. We create cultural awareness programs that strengthen emotional resiliency in our communities. Through partnerships with schools, organizations, and community leaders, we carry forward the Chrysalis Vision ripple effect, igniting change and building understanding. Strong families, strong youth, strong nation. How do we accomplish our goals? By using state-of-the-art technology and education to make culture and history accessible to all. Our partners and sponsors make our mission possible, ensuring that every voice, especially the forgotten and underrepresented, is heard and preserved. The Chrysalis Vision ripple effect is building a future where culture, creativity, and community come together. The Chrysalis Vision transformation through culture and creativity.